Speed, power, agility, banana. Hello everybody, it's me, Shiki, and I'm super excited. You know why I'm excited? Because we're playing Monkey Ball. Oh my gosh, Super Monkey Ball. Oh, okay, before I get too far ahead of myself here, welcome to the start of the Karasu Classics. That's what I'm calling this little series of retro gaming over here on the channel. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. It's a thought or an idea that I've been thinking about for a while, so yeah, we're gonna start with Monkey Ball because the Sonic series are gonna be way longer, so I want to go ahead and get some games like Monkey Ball and Billy Hatcher. Go ahead and get some videos on those done, and then we'll jump right into all the Sonic content that I want to do. Because the GameCube will always have a special place in my heart. That it will. Advanced. This isn't just Monkey Ball. This is Advanced Monkey Ball. Go! Yeah! See, that was advanced because there was a little speed bump there. It's so hard. I'm joking. This gets intense really fast. It's intense very fast, actually. I don't know why I picked advanced. It'll be fine, though. Banana! Ai, you okay? Ai's like, no, I have brain damage now. There's no airbags in this ball. Gosh, I love that score tallying sound. Floor 3 of like bajillion. I don't remember how many are in advanced. Cool. Okay, got it. I'm a little silly, but I've got the spirit. Go! Okay. Okay. Sorry, a lot of this is going to be effort noises. But we're just getting started. What? Bonus floor. Gosh, the old bonus floors. Yes, all the banana. All that potassium. Even though it doesn't really give you a lot of time on advanced. Like, you can't quite get all the bananas sometimes. I think with this one you can just make it.
No! God!
No, get the banana!
No! God,
I'm
please,
panicking!
No!
No! No! No! Oh, okay. Oh no.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Oops. I'm sorry, Ai. Oh no. Oh, I screwed that all up. Poor Ai. I got a first encounter with gravity. Meep. Okay. Very gently, very gently. No, fuck.
Does this look like it thinks?
No. Crap. Oh no. Yeah. Darn it. Okay, go back down, please. Go back down, go back down, go back down. Got it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Floor 7. The zigzaggy one. Okay. Cool. I'm nervous now. I have no lives left. No. Okay. We're gonna make it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get there. We're gonna have a strong finish. we may not beat advanced, but if we don't, I'll go through beginner and try not to die, so that we can see the extra stages, the challenging ones. Got it. Poor Ai is just over here like, who let the harpy drive? I'm sorry, Ai, you are at my mercy and you should not be. Oh, fast. Oh, fast. Oh, it's fast. Oh, fast. Oh, gosh. Check. Oh, yeah. Nailed it. Okay, we did it. We survived. Oh, goodness. Oh. Oh, no. Ai, why are you going that way? Oh, stop. Stop. Oh, okay. I'm gonna very gently get over here. Okay. Alright, let's just sit here for a minute and think about life. Ai, why are you going in circles? Oh no, is my controller drifting? Oh no, get on the square. Stay on the square. This is very nerve-wracking. Ooh, okay. I got jump scared by a 1-up. Phew. I told you, Monkey Ball gets a little intense. Oh, is this the bonus floor that ripples? I think this is the one that does the ripply. It do! Okay, this one is just fun. There's no way in heck I'm getting all the bananas. I never have. I'm getting dizzy though. Oh. At least it doesn't penalize you for not finishing the bonus stage. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. Anyway, I don't know why I did that. Nobody has ever asked for a Shiki Lude countdown, and you're probably never gonna get one. Okay, whoa. Be a little careful here. A little careful. I've been haphazard most of this, but that's because I have such fond memories of Monkey Ball. Oh, I might run out of time here. I know. No. Okay. How awesome is the music, though? Monkey Ball has such an awesome soundtrack. And hey, did you like the video yet? If not, let me know. Or leave a like and let me know if you want to see more Monkey Ball. I'd be down for that. Not even just this game specifically, just Monkey Ball. Yeah. Plus, we got Ai coming to Sonic Cross Worlds here soon. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be cool. He looks adorable. Monkey Ball is just one of those feel-good games, you know? Oh yeah, this level. Boing. All those other monkeys over there in the background just living their lives while I have to put up with physics. Got it. I thought I screwed that up and stood in the wrong spot.
Hello there.
Oh, what fresh heck is this? Uh-oh. Oh no. No, not like this. Okay. Oh gosh. No, let me through, please. Liz? Oh, I think I have to go around the outside. Around the outside. Around the outside. You know, like a couple of Trailer Park Girls. Somebody is gonna get that reference later and wonder why I made it. There we go. Oh. Huh. Those are certainly some angles. Blech. It's okay. I can be your angle or your devil. I still can't believe that meme is Aaron from Game Grumps. Like, if I was to ever meet that man, Oh, shit. No!
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
I was going to say I'd be happy. I like the Game Grumps. They're part of the reason I got into making content. Okay, I took that one a little sharply, but it's okay. No! No, 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 no! Well... Oh, poor Ai. No, we're not gonna continue, it's okay. Oh, and he just gets all sad and upset. I'm sorry, buddy. Enter my name. Okay. Okay. That's my name. Hey. You're welcome. But you saw how we how we got some play points? Those are what you use for mini games. You cannot play the mini game yet. Please play the one-player normal mode first. I did. What the frick you mean? Oh, I don't have enough play points. Okay. More main game, darn it. Normal mode. But you can also do practice mode and challenge mode. We'll cover that if you want to. I'm not the best at Monkey Ball, it's just fun. Alright, we'll go beginner mode. And I will try not to fall off and, you know, end up in the abyss. But now you can see there's a stark contrast between beginner and advanced. So I don't even think about playing this on expert. I've never even beaten advanced. I think the highest I've gotten is floor 20? I think. Back when I was a young little Shiki. And before you ask, yes, I have touched grass. I'm touching it right now in this game. It just so happens to have a checkerboard pattern. Speed! Power! Agility! Banana! Goal! I thought I heard something outside the studio. It has been really, you know, weather-y today, so... Probably just stuff blowing around in the wind. Come on. I'm a monkey with places to be, darn it. Look at me, soaring through the levels, like a harpy, piloting a monkey. Okay. This music's gonna be stuck in my head tonight, I know it. Banana, 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 banana. Banana. Okay. I don't even like bananas that much. When it comes to fruit, I tend to prefer strawberries and kiwis. And like orange and stuff. Sweet. Let's go. More monkey ball, darn it. What? Yeah. Okay. Whoop. Whip, 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 whip. Oh. Oh, speed, power, agility. Okay. We made it. I swear, once you start going fast enough that sparks start flying off of you, I get a little anxious. Because I just know I'm gonna go flying off the stage at any point. Okay. No, the banana! I want the banana! Give banana! Okay. Okay. Made it. Sweet. I wonder if there was a brand deal here. Nah, surely not. Brand deals? In my old school games? I mean, it's more common than you think, but I just can't tell if there was one here or not. I won't worry about it. Anyone else have a craving for Dole fruit? Like specifically Dole brand fruit? I don't know why. Okay. Time to yeetus myself. Smack. Got it. The jarring way I just slams into that wall. I feel bad. Okay. This is the crucial point. I need to not get very acquainted with gravity this time.
Oh my God!
Oh, okay, got it. Sorry, I had to go super focused mode there for a minute. Because I really wanted to show you all the extra stages. They're cool. And after that, you get this interesting little credit sequence. I love when the credits are like their own minigame in a game. Plus, you hear that beat? I love it. Oh, this is where it gets hard, though. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Yeep. Got it. Whoa. That actually scared me a little bit. Sweet. On to extra 2. Kind of looks like, what were those things called? The really old data storage thing? Floppy disk. Yeah, okay. That was just a floppy disk with an attitude problem. Alright. Whoop. Whoa. Disorienting, isn't it? Whoa, okay. Got it. And sadly, that's it for the extra stages. But they're neat. You got 633 play points. Altogether, you have 1,687. Nice. Only 813 points left to unlock the next minigame. Bye! Bye. As you float away on your banana into the heavens. And now the super cool credit sequence. I love this credit sequence. Ready? Go! Like, look at this. This is so neat. I love when games do stuff like this. Whoop. Oh, okay. Aggressive letters, aren't they? Whoa, okay, oof. So like I said, if you want to see more Monkey Ball, let me know. Because I will happily do that. Oof, well, okay. And let me know what you think of the Karasu Classics as the series goes on. Because I don't know. Like I said, the GameCube library is special to me. I went, like, the GameCube was responsible for numerous special interests in gaming, especially Sonic. Because we'll be covering Sonic Adventure DX and Sonic Adventure 2. As I run smack into a few letters here. And Billy Hatcher. Oh my gosh, there were so many good games on the GameCube. I don't remember how long this credit sequence is, so I may chop it up a bit. But we'll see. Well, okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's going on for a while, isn't it? Alright. We are now in 2D designer territory. Apparently. Whoa. So many banana. And at the end of this, it gives you a monkey ranking? I've never fully understood if any of the rankings I've got were good or bad. I'm convinced it's just a random number generator that's like, yes, you equal this monkey. And I guess you're just supposed to deal with that. I don't know. Okay. Aw.
I almost made it through.
Day 4. It's just credits and bananas as far as I can see. And this path, it inches ever onward into the distance. I don't remember what I look like anymore. Maybe I am a monkey inside of a ball after all. Oof. Day 300. At last, I can see the goalpost in the horizon. See? Monkey level. I don't know what that means, but I'm a harpy, not a monkey. Anyway. So, that was Super Monkey Ball. Oh my gosh. Talk about a blast from the past, but you're gonna get a lot of those throughout this series. So hey, if you like what you saw and you want to see more, then, you know, feel free to leave a like and let me know down in the comments if you want to see more Monkey Ball. I'll happily do that. And subscribe if you want. I would love to see more and more of you come back for more retro gaming and silliness. Just more gaming. Just more silly. That's pretty much what I get up to here, is games and silly and sometimes spooky. But I'll see you all next time, okay?
Bye.
Shiki Karasu.